Hello everyone and welcome to this video, and in this video we'll try to see how to set alias in PowerShell. So it's very easy. You just need to use set alias alias, and you need to give a name for your alias name. So I just want to do it as list. Now you need to give a value for this list. What should be happening if you type list? So I want to get all the child items in the directory. So get child item is another commandlet which is available in built in PowerShell. If you do that and type list, it will obviously automatically do the listing for us. So it is very simple. You just need to give it a name and a value, what commandlet should be running if you give list, and then you just need to do that. So it will just list all the items in that folder. So this is very simple, and that is how you do it. Thank you very much.